Guys, I got my hands on the Epson EpiqVision Flex CO-W01, and I bought it straight from Amazon. If you're looking for a projector with crystal clear picture quality, this might be the one for you. I've added the best price link in the description, so check it out if you want to grab one at a discount. Before we dive into the performance, let's check out the build. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry around. But the real magic happens when we turn it on. I definitely recommend this projector to anyone as the picture is amazing. It has 3000 lumens and is HD high definition displaying at 1080p, and I was able to confirm this by viewing the projector status within the projector settings. Mirroring my phone. Using Fire TV, I successfully mirrored my Samsung phone using Samsung Smart View feature. Fire TV has option for Apple products as well to be mirrored. My Android phone projection was great, as it showed text with clarity. Using the zoom and native resolution settings, I effectively mirrored my phone to my liking. I get eye strain from using my phone, and mirroring, it makes it better for my eyes. I use this in daylight, and it's very bright. At night, it's even more brilliant in terms of enhanced visuals. If you're looking for a projector where it has a streaming service and Wi-Fi that you can easily access, then consider their other model. I pair my JBL earbuds to my Fire TV stick flawlessly and noticed without that, using the setting to source the audio out to A/V is best and could be heard better, although that's dependent on the audio used for the content, as they all differ. Great basic projector. Now, let's talk about the picture quality because this is where Epson truly shines. The 3-chip 3 LCD technology makes colors look natural, vibrant, and super bright. No rainbow effect like those cheap projectors. And with 3000 lumens, even with some light in the room, the image stays sharp and bright. Look at this. The contrast, the colors, the details, everything looks super crisp, even at a big screen size. You can go up to 300 inches, and the image still looks clear and well-balanced. This projector isn't just for movies. Whether it's gaming, presentations, or streaming, the quality remains solid. And yes, it's streaming ready, so you can easily connect a Fire Stick, laptop, or gaming console and start watching instantly. It even has a 5W speaker, which is decent for small rooms, but for the best experience, I'd suggest using external speakers. Overall, if you want top-tier picture quality in this price range, the Epson CO-W01